Hello there. I'm making a video for this TRIMX beard trimmer. I got this for my 19-year-old for Christmas. And I am a hairstylist for 20 years. Recently I've been specializing in men's haircuts. So I'll just say I know a little bit about clippers and guards. This one I really liked for him. He's 19, like I said, so he's, shaving different areas of his body. Let me see if I can do this. I like about this is these are magnet. Each guard has its own little slot. That's like a little 4. That's a 2 guard. You have to know your millimeters for. And these go up to, I don't know, I think this is 5 millimeters. Yeah. So which is like a 1.5 guard. A little over. I just want to show you first how long this cord is. Look, it's on a whole another sink. It comes with a lot of features. Look, it has a one on this. I guess this is, I don't know what I'm going to do with this stuff. It has a 1 on there. I guess there's a 2 guard on that one. A 3 guard on these things. And then, just so that if you want to take it and not use the I'm gonna lock it and do this.
As you can see, I have put all the pieces on as they were described. And the only piece that is missing is the body hair trimmer.
And you were protecting them, which is a way of protecting yourself.
I thought it was this piece, but that appears to be this one and not that one.